Hi everyone, we have started part 4, Forces, Energy and Machines. In part 4 we will cover 2 units. So first unit is unit 8, Electricity. In this unit we learn about the importance of electricity. It is invisible but it is working all around us. And electricity is made in a power station and then it is brought in our houses through cables. Electricity is very powerful, so we should be very careful when using electrical appliances. We should follow some rules. We can also store electricity and we can store it in batteries and cells, and then we use these batteries and cells in different equipments. And it is the safe way to use electricity. We have done question number 1 and question number 2, part 1, 2 and 3 on page 62. Today we will continue question number 2 and we will do part 4 and part 5. But first revise first 3 parts of question number 2. Question number 2 is answer the following questions. Number 1 is who is an inventor? Answer is the first person to make or think of a particular thing is called an inventor. Question number 2 is who invented the first electric light bulb? So the answer is Thomas Edison invented the first electric bulb. Question number 3 is where does the electricity we use come from? All of you know where the electricity is produced and from where it comes. So the answer is the electricity we use come through cables from a power station. Question number 4 is why can small batteries not be used to work a big electrical object? What do you think? Why small batteries do not work for big electrical object? Because big batteries contain more electricity, so they are used for big objects, and small batteries contain less electricity, so they are used for small objects. So the answer is small batteries cannot be used to work a big electrical object because they do not contain enough electricity. Question number 5 is write the name of one object that works with the battery and one that works by mains electricity. In this unit, we have studied that some things use mains electricity to work and some things use batteries to work properly. So the answer is iron works by mains electricity and torch works with a battery. Your answers can vary from this. You can add anything of your own choice. Note down these question answers in your notebook. Thank you.